Hi guys, welcome to this session. In this session, we'll see how we can open a Google Tag Manager account. So for doing this, we're going to search for Google Tag Manager on Google, and we will see the first website out here, which you can click on, and this will bring us to the website out here. So it will ask you to log in with your Google account. So you provide your email ID and password, and you will reach on this particular page. So from here, we can go ahead and create a new account for our Google Tag Manager. So where we can provide certain details. So the first thing which you will have to provide out here is going to be the name of the account. So whatever is your company's name or your client's name, you can provide out here. So in this manner, I can provide the name, and then we can choose the country as well. Once you do that, then we have to do the container setup. Container is basically a storage space where we're going to store all the different tags which we will be pasting on the website. So this we also need to define out here. So we can give a container name. Now that can be our website's URL, which we can provide here. And we are doing to do this for the targeted platforms. So we are doing it, let's say, for web pages, iOS. So all these options will be open for us. So we will be doing a tag setup for all these platforms by default. Okay, so you can provide your website URL in this particular manner. So this is the website for which we are setting up the tag. And then we can select website majorly for which we want to do this, which is on desktop and mobile web pages. And then we can create. So this is the terms and conditions which we need to agree to, and we say accept to this, and then we can move forward from here, guys. Once you do this, now the account is getting created, which will then generate the code. So you can see now this is the code which needs to be pasted at the back end of our website. If in case once you create the account, this pop-up does not arise, okay, then on the home page of Google Tag Manager, you can just go to your GTM code particular label over here. If you click on it, that will bring you back to the page, and you can just copy from here, follow the instructions given out here, and paste it at the back end of every page of your website. I hope it makes sense. You understand now the complete process, the simple way of opening an account with Google Tag Manager. In the next video, we will see how we can paste this code at the back end of our website and activate the particular GTM code. Thank you so much, guys, for listening into this session, and I will see you in the next video.